Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll show you the best way to make cocoa and cacao hot chocolate with marshmallows, from choosing the right ingredients to creating a rich and creamy cup at home. Stay with us as we guide you step by step to make the perfect warm drink you can enjoy anytime. Imagine coming home after a long, rainy afternoon and wrapping your hands around a warm, ceramic mug. The scent of rich chocolate fills the air, promising a moment of pure relaxation and sweetness. Adding a handful of fluffy marshmallows on top creates a nostalgic treat that takes you back to childhood winters. However, there is a whole world of flavor beyond those little paper packets found at the grocery store. By understanding the difference between various chocolate powders, you can turn a simple drink into a gourmet experience. Using high-quality ingredients like raw cacao or premium cocoa changes the entire profile of your beverage. While many people use these terms interchangeably, they offer very different results for your palate and your health. Choosing the right base ensures your drink is as nutritious as it is delicious. When you pair those deep, earthy notes with the gooey sweetness of a melting marshmallow, you get the ultimate comfort in a cup. Let's look at how to build the perfect mug from the ground up. Understanding the main ingredients: cacao versus cocoa powder. When you stand in the baking aisle, you might notice two products that look nearly identical. While both come from the same bean, the way manufacturers process them makes a massive impact. Cacao powder is essentially the raw version of the chocolate bean. Producers cold press the unroasted cacao beans to remove the fat, which keeps the living enzymes intact. Because it never sees high heat, the powder retains a vibrant, slightly fruity, and very intense flavor. Close-up side-by-side view of cacao powder, which is reddish-brown with a rougher texture, and cocoa powder, which is darker and more uniform brown, placed on a white wooden surface under natural daylight. On the other hand, cocoa powder undergoes a much more intense transformation. Farmers roast the beans at high temperatures before grinding them into a fine dust. This roasting process changes the molecular structure of the bean, giving it that classic chocolatey smell. If you see Dutch processed on the label, it means the cocoa was treated with an alkalizing agent to reduce acidity. This makes the powder darker and much smoother, though it does strip away some of the natural nutrients found in the raw bean. Feature raw cacao powder, Dutch processed cocoa. Processing is cold-pressed and unroasted, while the other is roasted at high heat. Flavor profile for cacao is bitter, complex, and fruity, while cocoa is mellow, earthy, and classic. Nutrient level is very high in antioxidants for cacao and moderate to low for cocoa. Acidity is naturally high for cacao and low for alkalized cocoa. That's it for part 1. We hope you found this helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for part 2, where we continue and explore more tips and techniques to make your hot chocolate even better. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.